This is our Pre-K and K Achievement Kit, or Kinder Kit, for 4 to 5-year-olds. This kit is chock full of all kinds of fun learning resources that will help your child have a successful preschool and kindergarten experience. We'll set you up for success with everything you need for fun on the go, at home, or in the classroom. The kit comes in this clear vinyl backpack, and what kid doesn't love to carry their own backpack? It builds a little bit of self-esteem, confidence, and independence when they can carry some of their fun learning materials around on their own in a durable bag. This kit also comes with bilingual activity cards. So these cards will walk you through all of these different types of cross-curricular activities, including art, physical health and safety, science, language and literacy, and even math. Now you'll find that in this kit, you will also have activities that encourage social emotional learning. And all of that is very important after a rough few years. So our children are learning to go to school and develop these skills that they'll need for success now and in the future. This first piece of the kit is our reversible whiteboard. It also comes with this easy grip eraser, and you can use it with crayons or dry erase markers. Students can use it for telling stories, writing words, and students at this age are just learning that words give meaning about something in their world. So that print concept of a word conveys meaning. They can use this board to attach words to whatever they draw or see. Next, we include some school supplies that students this age are learning to use. Our washable glue and safety scissors, and of course our large crayons, are getting students ready to develop those fine motor skills in their hands and create some great art and use all that creativity to create something special. Next, we include 3 hand puppets. Now, puppets are an amazing social emotional learning resource. Students can talk about ideas or create characters for stories, start to build and tell their own stories, or they can connect with peers through the character of the puppet. So this helps them build relationships, but also start to explore language and literacy while they develop the fine motor skills in their hand. Next, we have the Magnifier, which is perfect for beginning science. They can make observations about their world, explore what's around them, but there's even more fun ways you can use this. I love to encourage speech and language by even including colors or textures with maybe an I spy. I spy something spiky around me, and have the students look for that texture. Again, you're building that language, but also that recognition of things around you in the world. Next, we have our 100 linking cubes. Now, these cubes are great for building. What child doesn't love building and constructing new things? But they're also perfect for any math curriculum. They can do patterning, sorting, counting by 1s, 5s, or 10s, or you can do color recognition, pattern recognition. Any level your child is on, these cubes can be adjusted to help them with whatever math skill they're working on. Next, we have our rhyming flashcards. This helps develop language and literacy as students start to learn words and how they sound like other words. So that's going to be the beginnings of word families and phonemic awareness. Students start to recognize the pictures, but they also can use this to go beyond, to create poems and choose different cards, or they can choose a few cards and then create a story in their story and picture journal. This journal offers blank space for students with writing lines and space to illustrate a picture. So students can feel like an author or an illustrator as they create their own stories. They can write words that go along with pictures. They can also explore their SEL feelings, where they can draw a face and write the associated emotion that goes with it. They can also write about their weekend and draw a picture about what they did with their family. Or you can use this as a science journal. What did you see in your magnifier? Let's draw it here. So there are a lot of ways that students can get involved and create their own journal and also develop that confidence that they are the creator. Next, the set also includes foam letters and numbers. These are an amazing resource. You can use them in so many ways. You can use them right on the whiteboard to create letters, to have the children practice their name, their phone number, anything they're looking to learn, they can use these letters for. You can put them in a sensory bin where children are pulling them out and naming the letter or the number or the color. And you can also create patterns, have the students sort them out, and there are unlimited ways to have fun with these letters and numbers. This last item in the kit are these 3 colorful scarves. We have yellow, orange, and pink. Now, there are quite a few things you can do with these also, but here are a few of my favorites. One, when the children are throwing them up in the air and catching them, they're developing hand-eye coordination. They're watching where the scarf is going and reacting. So they're developing that skill that's going to eventually translate to writing letters, number formation, as they're using a crayon, a marker, and a pencil with that hand-eye. But there's even more to it. As they throw it up in the air, they're also using their eyes to track the scarf. And you can even wave it back and forth and have the students track it, because that's going to develop the eye strength tracking across for reading. And they'll even develop that return sweep. When you're done with one line, you go on to the next. So these are a lot of fun for hands-on, building your motor skills, getting your hands working, getting your body working, and also adding in the curriculum. This kit is great on the go, great in the classroom or at home, and is sure to give your child the skills they need to be successful in preschool and kindergarten.